In this video, I'll show you how to sell stocks on Robinhood and cash out, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Open the Robinhood app and go to the stock that you want to sell from your portfolio. Once you're on the stocks page, tap on the trade button located at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on Sell. You'll now see the section where you can enter the number of shares you want to sell. So tap on the shares field and type in the exact amount you'd like to sell. If you only own one share, enter 1. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the order type. Here, you can choose between a market order or a limit order. If you select limit order, tap it and then enter the exact price at which you want your stock to be sold. This ensures the stock will only be sold once it reaches that price. After setting your price, tap Done to confirm. Then, choose the time in force option on the screen, such as market hours or extended hours, by tapping on the selection area. Once everything looks correct, tap the review button at the bottom. Finally, swipe up on the screen to submit your sell order. When the stock reaches your set price, Robinhood will automatically execute the sale and the cash will be added to your buying power. Now to cash out your money, start from the home screen and look at your buying power in the middle of the screen. This amount represents your withdrawable cash, as long as it's not on hold. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're there, open the menu in the top left corner and tap on Transfers. On this screen, you'll see your withdrawable cash displayed. Make sure you have a bank account linked, which will appear listed on the screen. Next, tap on Transfer Money from Brokerage. Choose your linked bank account by tapping on it. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw by tapping on the Amount field and typing in the full withdrawable balance, or any amount you prefer. After entering the amount, tap Review at the bottom. You'll see a confirmation screen explaining that the money will be deducted immediately and may take a few business days to reach your bank. Tap the Transfer button to submit. Once you see the withdrawal submitted confirmation, tap Continue, and you're all set. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA. And most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.